Hive 4, generally our healthiest hive. Hopefully I won't get into there and learn something bad like I did on the last one. We're going to smoke it. See how that goes. Alright. Open her up. Oh, lots of bees. That's a good thing. Oh, I gotta get my hive tool. Let's break it open, see what they're acting like. This is my best hive as far as I can tell, or has been. We'll find out here in a second. They really glued it together. Let's try one more. There we go. There's a little hive beetle. Oh, this hive is busy. Feeders are pretty dry. That's a good thing. That means they're eating. Let's look at the top of their hive. I see a lot of hive beetles in this one too. That was a little finger smash. That didn't feel good. Alright, see, let's separate them a little bit. Pull them out. There we go. Alright, this one's slam full of honey. This hive tends to be a little more aggressive than some of the other hives as well. So, we'll kind of try to keep them smoked back. There's a lot of bees in this hive. This hive is super healthy. Doesn't look like much in the way of problems. You may not look at this one quite as much. I'm just gonna kind of run through it. Yeah, it's frame after frame after frame of honey. This hive really doesn't need any more feeding, I don't think. This one's, it's got so dang much honey, they don't know what to do with it. There's one frame not full of honey out here on the outside. So I think I'm gonna leave them alone. I'll probably put them a fresh frame in there, and but I don't think this one needs a lot of messing with. We'll take that feeder out. I don't think they need it. Alright, so that's that hive. Not sure what's recorded, what's not, but we're in my fourth hive. This is my busiest hive. That is a super cedar cell right there in the middle. It is empty. Got a bunch of pollen and stuff in this one. I don't see. This next frame's got a pretty good bit of drone. As you can see, this thing is a very busy hive. Looking good. Looking great. Oh, got a bunch of burr comb there. We'll probably need to get rid of that. These guys are going to need a little more smoke. This is my hive that they're not the friendliest bees in my bunch. They're all over me right now. Now I ain't going to leave this burr comb on the ground, but I'll come back and get it in a minute. This is a busy hive. This hive's gonna have to be split this spring, I'm sure. Try to get them off of me a little bit. Alright. We'll get some of this burr comb off the top as well. I'll come back and get all that. Like I said, I ain't gonna leave it. If you leave it, it attracts other things that you don't want around your beehives. Lots of brood. I don't know what that is. I don't know if that's a larvae or not. Let me take a little picture of that. If I can. Let's see if I can lay this down. Well, I don't know if I can. Let me try to do it out here like this. Such a weird looking larvae almost. I don't know what that is, but we'll figure it out. Get on this side. Alright. A little bit more checking. We're going to try to get out of this hive as quick as we can. More brood. Whew, they're scattering on me. Alright guys, y'all looking good. I don't see anything else in here that needs to be looked at. Lots and lots of bees. Population's crazy. So this hive is not gonna have much in the way of problem. Alright, so I didn't pull that frame. That's my old frame. We're going to stick this back down in here where it goes. Try not to bother any of these here bees. Oh, there they go. Whew, bees are everywhere. Come on guys, y'all are not pleased. I'm going to back out. They are following me. That is not a happy hive. Alright, we're going to put these guys back together and get out of their way. Alright, that's that one.